Can annual streamflow volumes be characterized by flood events alone? We know that rising temperatures due to climate change are threatening our future water supplies, meaning we need to be able to project how much water we will have in the future. The problem with projections for Australia is that there is no robust change signal in the mean rainfall. There is, however, a robust signal for extreme rainfalls. And since we know extreme rainfalls lead to flooding, we have a link between extreme rainfall and flooding. But how much are these floods responsible for water supply? For the parts of Australia where drinking water is sourced from, 60 to 70% of the total annual streamflow can be accounted for by just the largest 4 streamflow events in any given year. But concerningly, the proportion of annual streamflow these events are responsible for is actually declining with climate change. What this means is that although the work here suggests a large proportion of the streamflow water supply reservoirs can indeed be approximated from a small number of streamflow events, whose behaviour into the future can be relatively well constrained with robust projections of rainfall, we may also be relying on less events for water supply in the future, making our water security even less stable. Thank you.